Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we have a huge leak regarding the release date for the new 2019 iPhones, the iPhone 11, 11 Max and of course the 11R. Now this is huge news which basically confirms the release date of these devices. Now taking a look at the previous Apple schedule, you can see that this leak fits perfectly on the Apple schedule. Taking a look back in 2018, the iPhone XS has been released on September 21st. The iPhone 8 and the 8 Plus in 2017 have been released on September 22nd. And this new leak that comes from Evan Blass on Twitter has shown that the iPhone 11, 11 Max and the 11R have to be released on September 20th. So this is according to this chart, this basically graphic that has been leaked from Verizon, which is of course one of the biggest carriers in the USA, and you can see there the release dates for different devices. You can see there the iPhone in September, but you can also see other devices as well, like the Note 10 or the Pixel 4. And basically this confirms the release date of the iPhones in 2019. Taking a look at this graphic, that places the iPhone 11, 11 Max and the 11R on September 20th. That will be the date that the iPhones have to be released in September of 2019. Now taking a look back at the usual Apple schedule, you can basically place the keynote for these devices on maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. That will be like September 10th or September 11th. And then of course on September 13th you can go ahead and pre-order. That's how Apple has usually worked with the iPhones, their pre-orders and all that. So they basically have the keynote at the beginning of the week, and then they basically just put the iPhone for pre-order, and then the next week on the next Friday they release it. So September 20th will be the day that the new iPhones will be released in this September of 2019. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. For more iPhone 11 news and leaks, make sure to subscribe and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.